All my coaches, y'all should be posting something on LinkedIn. All my chefs, do you know how much corporate business you could be getting? And you don't have to be fooling with baby showers and bridal showers and birthdays. I'm a corporate planner. That's all I used to do. I can tell you right now, a budget over there, you don't have to haggle with. You don't have to fight about. You don't even have to. This is what I have to spend. This is my budget. Okay. Can you make sure that all my vegans are served? All my vegetarians are served? I have some allergies in the group. Boom. Yes, we can accommodate that. Can you make sure we have chicken and beef? Yes, we can accommodate that. Can you make sure no pork is in there? Yes, we can accommodate that. Boom. How many vegetarians do you have on the team? Boom. There you go. Come on, y'all. Work smarter, not harder. Y'all are missing here. I need to do that. Yes, your cake business. How many how many birthdays do they have in the office? How many birthdays do they have in the office? That coordinator can call you on the phone and already pre-order 5 cakes for the month. Set deal. And if she ordered them, the other team over there, they're going to order them too. And if that team orders them and they walked over there, guess what? Then they know you do cakes, and then you say, oh, do you do anything else? Sure do. I can cater the entire, y'all have a going away party, a retirement party. Y'all have an occasion. Come on, y'all. Think outside the box. Stop following the I love the passion to inform. Thank you. Because that's my purpose and my passion. That's my purpose and my passion. I know my purpose. My purpose is to educate all the time, inform and inspire. I'm going to inspire you to win. Because if I can't get my blessings if I'm like this. I can't get my blessings are blocked if I'm like this. I have to be like this. I believe in helping people. We can't get this if we're like this all the time. So you're never going to get that from me. You can go watch my videos. These are my lives back way been. I've been like this. I'm always going to be like this. I believe in everybody needs to shine. I believe everybody needs to shine. Because guess what? It stops nobody. If I shine, you shine. Okay? Once you download that stuff, all right? We want to make sure you download all that stuff. Once you download that stuff, you also download you got a free Gmail. You get photos. Transfer that stuff over there, okay? Yes. Nene is speaking facts. Make a screenshot of everything you might still have pending. Anything you still have pending that you've purchased. You need to make sure you take a screenshot of it. You need to take a screenshot of the order. Take a screenshot of the delivery, everything. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We don't want you to lose your stuff. Thank y'all. Thank you so much. Okay? How do you do without buying storage? Sis, move all your stuff over there. Whatever you can move that stuff over there and download some more. Use your Google Drive. Yes. In your Gmail. You have photos. It's called, so child, I'm trying to keep it as basic as possible, child. We on this level, and I'm trying to make sure I keep it here so everybody gets it, retains it. I want everybody to retain this information. So you have Amazon Prime. with Amazon Prime, you get photos. You get a storage where you can put photos. When you move, come on, brother, we right here. I'm trying to get y'all to move your stuff over there. So if you got to do, once you move it over to your photos, you pay for Prime. So move that stuff over there. If you have a Gmail account, sis, those are 4 things you cannot do. You can not talk about God over there. You can't talk about Muslim over there. You can't talk about Buddhist over there. You can't talk about anything. You can't talk religion over there. And you cannot. She lying. Don't listen to her. Red note. Child, bye. We gonna get you gone right now. If you didn't read guess what I did? Guess what I did? Guess what I did? I'm not giving people information. Y'all come on. Think about it. You can VPN all you want to and it's going black. It's going black. Y'all can keep that VPN to yourself. It's going black. Y'all don't listen. Y'all don't listen. It's a communist country. Communist country. Fadeable, go start another Gmail account. Beth, go start another Gmail account. They free. Go start another Gmail account. They're free. Call it TikTok call it Beth TikTok stuff. And download that stuff in there. And upload it over there. Come on, y'all. You get in your Gmail account, you got photos. Dump all that stuff over there. Transfer that stuff over there. Once you transfer, you're welcome. Once you transfer all of your content, ain't nobody going to Red Note. Lemonade is going to be gone because that's a ByteDance company. And Fadeable, go start another Gmail account. Beth, go start another Gmail account. They free. Go start another Gmail account. They're free. Call it call it Beth TikTok stuff. And download that stuff in there. And upload it over there. Come on, y'all. You get in your Gmail account, you got photos. Dump all that stuff over there. Transfer that stuff over there. Once you transfer, you're welcome. Once you transfer all of your content, ain't nobody going to Red Note. Lemonade is going to be gone because that's a ByteDance company. And CapCut, y'all, if you have stuff in CapCut, download that stuff. CapCut is a ByteDance company. It's going to be gone. It's going to be gone. Okay? It's going to be gone. Thank you for joining me on this part of my TikTok live. Guess what? Like, comment, subscribe. Don't be selfish.